Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. I just got a real quick video for you. So I'm putting the C5 back together, and like most of you, we've taken our door panels off, and a lot of times the mount on the inside of the door panel breaks off, or it's been broken for a while. It kind of makes your door panel rattle. Not really pleasant to listen to. Anyways, I want to show you real quick how you can still fix those broken mounts, because they all typically kind of break the same way. So let's focus in here. All right, so right here I got one of these broken mounts, and typically what you have is another layer of plastic on top with a little slot in it. That's where this clip goes on to, then that goes into the door and holds on to the retainer. Okay. Typically what happens on the C5 is the top of these break off, and I have two of them that are broken off. So I'm going to show you really quickly how you fix these. First thing you do, take you a pair of pliers, and that center rib, break it right on out of there. Right there. Okay, next thing, grab a drill, 1/4 inch drill bit, and right in the center of that mount, drill you a new hole. Just like that. Next, take a die grinder with a cut-off wheel and cut you a slot. Grab your retainers. You may have to adjust the slot every now and again, but you want them to be kind of tight. Yeah, that one's kind of loose, but that's okay. It needs a little more trimming. And that is how you can save your C5 door panels, get a few more years of life out of those. I will put a link to the door retainers. These are actually kind of hard to find. And you may have noticed the inside of my door panel is completely sound absorbed matted. And Noico is the product that I use. If you guys follow along on the Instagram, you may have saw that earlier. I've done the wheel wells, the inside of the doors are done in Dynamat. I'm doing the inside of the door panels now, just give it another layer and absorb some more of that sound, because the days of rickety sounding cars don't fly anymore. So if you're looking for some sound deadening, that stuff is a great value. I hope this helped you out. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll catch y'all next time.